On behalf of Sri Satya Sai Health and Education Trust and Sri Satya Sai Sanjeevani Center for Child Heart Care, Kharghar, I, Dr. Rishikesh Wadake, welcome you all for
and of course the foreign partners also. And every family or every child is a story by itself. We cannot really describe it in 2 minutes what they would have gone through till the time they would have reached here. But we'll try to understand. They'll speak in their vernacular language, but in the interest of the our guest here and outside, I'll translate it in English. दादा तुमचं नाव सांगा, कुठून आलं? बाळाचं नाव काय आपले? रियांश नागरे. काय वय आहे त्याचं?
त्याचं आता 13 महिने.
So Riyansh Nagre is 13 months old and कुठून आलात तुम्ही? धुळे. They have come from a remote district in धुळे. तर इथे येण्याच्या आधी काय त्रास होता बाळाला?
त्याची ग्रोथ स्लो होती, ग्रोथ होत नव्हती, हार्टला होल होती,
त्याची ग्रोथ होत नव्हती. मग तुम्हाला कसं कळलं की त्याला हार्टमध्ये प्रॉब्लेम आहे?
माझे जे पेडिट्रिशियन डॉक्टर होते त्यांनी सांगितलं की हार्टचा प्रॉब्लेम झाला. त्याच्यानंतर मी गावाकडे त्याचे पुढे इको केला. पुढे इको केल्यानंतर त्यांनी हृदयाला होल सांगितले होते. नंतर मला ह्या हॉस्पिटलबद्दल माहिती भेटली.
तिकडे धुळ्यामध्येच कळलं.
माझी बहीण असते इथं खारघरला, सिस्टर असते इथं खारघरला. तिने सांगितलं या हॉस्पिटलचा फक्त. तेव्हा मी इथे आलो.
सो किती महिन्याचं असताना कळलं तुम्हाला हार्टचा प्रॉब्लेम आहे? 2 महिन्याचं असताना. So when the child was 2 months old, they got to know that the child was having this heart condition because the child was not growing as per his age. This very good part that we are seeing this young child, less than a year, who came here and got operated. We get lot of children who come at the age of 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 years. Or morning we had one session where 11 years old child was there. Now why means they didn't get diagnosed in time. So at least this child got diagnosed in time and he came here for the treatment. Radhika, काय वय राधिकाचं? So Radhika is also 11 months old. आता ऑपरेशन होऊन किती दिवस झाले? 4 महिने झाले. This is also from the first batch. So काय त्रास होता राधिकाला इकडे येण्यासाठी? पण त्रास काय व्हायचा? अच्छा. तुम्ही काय सांगाल, काय त्रास होता?
काय रडत होती आणि झोपत नव्हती, लई किरकिर करत होती.
अच्छा. So Radhika was having similar problem that she was having breathlessness and she was not sleeping well and बाकी त्याचं वजन बिजन वाढत होतं का ते पण? So the weight was also not improving. दूध वगैरे प्यायची का?
नाही.
So the child was not even able to take milk of the mother. So that was the impact of the heart condition on the child and hence the growth. मग इकडच्या हॉस्पिटलची माहिती कोणी दिली तुम्हाला?
चेंबूररामचं भाऊ राहतो.
अच्छा.
त्यांनी सांगितलं असं हॉस्पिटल आहे.
अच्छा.
त्यांनी येऊन स्वतः चौकशी केला. नंतर मला बोलावलं.
So one of the relatives is in Chembur found out about this hospital and that's how they came to our hospital. आता 4 महिन्यामध्ये ऑपरेशन झाल्यानंतर काय फरक जाणवतो तुम्हाला? काय जाणवतो फरक?
वजन वाढलं, खाणं पिणं वाढलं, तिला त्रास काय होत नाही.
So immediately in 4 months they can again the same case, they have seen the weight improved, the child is asking for food, she's having food properly and they are seeing that improvement in last 4 months. तुम्हाला काय सांगा, तुम्ही इथे होता? खुश आहे? टेन्शन नाही आता? पहिले खूप टेन्शन होतं.
लई रडत होती, लई किरकिर करत होती, काय करत होती. आता तर बरी आहे, आता चांगलं खाते पिते, चांगलं आहे.
या हॉस्पिटलला तुम्ही होता, तुम्हाला काय सांगू इच्छिता? इकडे कसं वाटलं तुम्हाला? काय त्रास झाला का? काय आवडलं इकडे किंवा काय नाही? मला ते तोंडात करू.
सगळी व्यवस्था झाली, सगळं चांगलं झाली.
सगळं चांगलं झालं. So they're happy with the stay here, the way they were taken care, and I think the smile speaks all, she's so happy that the child is doing. The simple thing is, she's not crying. I mean, that is one thing which every mother would want to hear, that she's not crying, which she was used to continuously do.
Till date, I have not met met him. But he has the full faith, the full trust. Why in me? Because I am attached to the Rotary. So the Rotary flag carries that weight. And this is what started. Who introduced me? One of the Rotarians, my colleague working in Wipro, Raj Dubey, living in Raipur.
Project. We have just completed the 5th year of this incredible journey, and over the past 5 years, this project has saved a remarkable 619 lives. This has been made possible through the profound generosity of our community, who contributed an outstanding rupees 9.09 crore to our cause. Tonight we celebrate a specific remarkable achievement from this year alone, that is 5th year, the successful completion of 156 pediatric heart surgeries. So this number, friends, 156 represents just not the statistics on a page, it represents 156 young lives saved.
And all of us are very, very fortunate in two counts. Number one, the Supreme Being has given us the ability to give. If we had been born as some poverty-stricken person living on the streets, our ability to give is limited. But of course, we can still give love. But He has put all of us in a position where we can give generously. And He has given us the opportunity in the form of Rotary and many other projects that Rotary does to do that giving for our own onward spiritual journey. I would like to thank each and every Rotarian, whether they gave 10 rupees or 10 crore rupees, for having contributed to this cause and brought happiness to 619 children you mentioned. So that is 619 mothers whose children's lives have been saved, and all the mothers sitting here can fully understand what that means.
In what then was a tiny hamlet called Whitefield. Most beloved Rotarians, headed by dear Nitin Bhai and the illustrious colleague here, and so many of you from so many of the clubs of Mumbai and the overseas partners in different parts of the world. The first friend Satya Sai Sanjeevani had in Mumbai was Rotary. When we began in 2019, I recollect we did not know many people, and the first hand of friendship, love and compassion that was extended was by Rotary. And what began, like always in life, as a small trickle, has this powerful effect of the ripple that we are beginning to see after 5 years in the form of so many of you that have got deeply connected with the gifting of life to so many children and families from different parts of the country.
But thank you so much for all the kind words. But I've got to say that I do need an introduction. And I'll give you one example which maybe somebody over here might have heard about it. Is that people know you when you're playing. People sometimes forget what, after you've finished playing. But also I think when you're playing, you go to an audience where you don't know the audience. Sometimes, they might not know you or whatever. So there was one occasion when my uncle Madhav Mantri, who played 4 test matches for India, he was the chief guest at a school sports function. And I was then at that particular time the captain of the Indian cricket team. And the principal of the school, before introducing the chief guest, asked him, how do I introduce you to the boys? And my uncle said, look, nobody knows me. I played way back in the 1950s. You just ask all those boys, who is your favorite cricketer? And then just say, I'm his uncle. Simple, isn't it? Because Madhav Mantri was my mother's elder brother. And principal said, yes, great idea, fantastic idea. And so he said to the boys, before I introduce you to the chief guest of the evening, can I ask you, who is your favorite cricketer? So the boys said, can I ask you, who's your favorite cricketer? And in one voice, all of them said, Kapil Dev. So you see, the introduction is necessary. I have to be thankful to you for giving me the opportunity to say this. Because one thing that I found over the years is that if you ever speak after Mr. Srinivas, it's an impossible job. It is almost like going to bat after Sachin Tendulkar has been batting. You can't better that. So this is what happened today, what Shubman Gill is batting. It's very difficult to better what Mr. Srinivas says. Because he, as you said quite correctly, he gives you the picture completely. And in such a nice way. There are painters and painters. There is a Picasso, there's a Michelangelo, there's a Van Gogh, all these, fantastic painters. But I think when he's talking, it's a mixture of all. Modern art, ancient art, whatever. And it explains to you exactly what the cause is, exactly what is happening. So to better that is very, very difficult. All I can say, and all I can add a little bit, is that we at the Sai Sanjivani are absolutely over the moon and delighted that we are partnering with Rotary. That as a cricketer, as a batsman, I know how important it is to have a good partner with you, because that partner can take your load off. You're having a tough time, you're not batting well, you're playing and missing. The partner can take more of the strike while you're at the non-striker's end and regain your confidence. Then you can start batting well again. So we are all looking always for good partner, and I think in Rotary we have found that. Over the years, it's not just, as you said, a 5-year relationship. It is going to grow and grow and grow, and save hundreds and thousands of children's lives. And that is what this whole mission is all about. That to try and save as many children's lives as possible, because children are our future. And whatever we can do, whatever you have been doing and will be continuing to do, hopefully, is what we are most thankful for. And we anticipate to be able to thank you even more. I also want to say that, not just Sachin in the batting, but Sachin, as far as donating is concerned, that is also something which is fantastic. And I think every little bit counts. And just the fact that you have somebody like Sri Nanavati there to inspire you, Mr. Mehta there. I must, before I finish this, actually find out what the AKS stands for. I hope it's not AK-47 or something like that. What AKS stands for. But I just want to say that, all of you all have, taken time off from your busy schedules to give thought to this. It's not just a contribution. The fact that when you're contributing, you're thinking about it. You're thinking about what you want to do for the children. And for that also, we will always forever remain grateful to you. Ladies and gentlemen, Rotarians, thank you very much. I want to thank Mr. Vladimir as well for his contribution from Serbia. I had the good fortune of going to Serbia because when we were going for the World Test Championship in 2021, when COVID was around and we had to spend 10-11 days in transit before we went to UK, we had to spend in an orange country or whatever the colors that were there. And we spent 11 days over there in Serbia, in Belgrade. And I think Belgrade is the hidden gem of the world. I mean, it's such a lovely place and lovely people down there. So I want to thank Mr. Vladimir and his Rotary group over there for their generous donation to the cause. And thank you all. And as always, if there is another function, hopefully in the very near future, if I've come here for the 4th time, consider me being there for the 5th time as well. Thank you. Jai Sahib.
क्रिकेटच्या मैदानामध्ये जे जीवनदान मिळतं त्यांनी तुमची जी पारी आहे ती पारी खेळतो त्यामध्ये तुम्ही रन करू शकता. पण जीवनामध्ये जे आपल्याला जीवनदान मिळतं जे आता कॉन्जेनिटल हार्ट डिफेक्टचे जे मुलं आहेत त्यामध्ये जीवनदान मिळतं ते म्हणजे ते त्यांचं स्वतःचं आयुष्य पूर्णपणे बदलू शकतात. आपण त्यांचं आयुष्य पूर्णपणे बदलतो. ते मग मोठे होऊन आपण बघितलं की आता श्रीनिवास सरांनी सांगितलं की त्यांनी स्वतःने कॉन्ट्रिब्युशन केलं आहे. डॉक्टर झाले आहेत
अरे मागे सायलेंट करा ना जरा.
काम केलं आहे साई संजीवनी हॉस्पिटल्समध्ये. अशी तुम्ही म्हणजे सेवा करू शकता, तुम्ही याची सेवा करू शकता.
करने में सरकार का आशीर्वाद तो चाहिए, मगर अगर आपका प्रश्न है अगर सरकार से कोई हम ग्रांट या कोई फंडिंग या कोई प्रोविज़न ऐसा सीखते हैं, सत्य साई संजीवनी की सेवा का जो पद्धति है वो अपने ही शक्ति के साथ सेवाएं प्रदान करते हैं, मगर सरकार के हर कार्यक्रम में हम जुड़े रहते हैं. जैसा महाराष्ट्र सरकार की बात करें तो ये संस्था पूरा महाराष्ट्र के लिए कहीं भी बच्चे जो दिल की बीमारी के होते हैं डिस्ट्रिक्ट से लेकर वो यहाँ लेकर आ सकते हैं. हम वहाँ जाते हैं और सरकार के RBS के टीम्स हो या पीडियाट्रिशियंस हो उनको ट्रेन भी करते हैं. तो वो हमारी सेवा होती है. फिनेंशियल ग्रांट्स लेना हम ज़्यादा लेते नहीं सरकार से. ये ज़मीन भी हमने स्वयं खरीदी सरकार से, ये ज़मीन खड़ा भी किए. काफ़ी समाज के वर्ग है जो जुड़ जाते हैं क्योंकि एक समाज का काम है, देश का सेवा का काम है ये. तो इसीलिए कई CSR कंपनीज होते हैं. रोटरी सबसे बड़ी हमारी एक पार्टनर बन गई है पहले से. और ये जीवन जो बचाने का है तो यही हमारी काम होती है.